दिल्ली माउड़ा रे गुलाल गुलाबी रंग केसरिया।
So dear friends, namaste. In this class we will study 12.1 question number 3. The figure is given, depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. From the center, actually the figure is made from the center. The center, this is gold, this is a circle, gold, this one. After that, red, gold means actually this whole is gold. After that, this color is red, the second color is red, so I don't have color right now. Blue, so this is R means red, then this is blue, and after that black, BK and white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors are there. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter. Diameter of gold region is equal to 21 centimeter. If diameter D is given, means you can find the R of the gold region this is equal to half of this. 21 upon 2 centimeter means 12.5 centimeter. The diameter of the regions representing gold score is this. Each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter. Actually, the radius of this gold, this is the first radius. This is 10.5. After that, the difference, this width is again 10.5. Means gold radius. After that, radius of the red region is equal to the second one. This is 10.5, then again 10.5 because width is 10.5 centimeter. So R of the red, R of the gold. So for this one, so 10.5 plus 10.5 mean 2 times. So it is actually 21 centimeter. For this you may write R gold is equal to 10.5 centimeter, or R red is equal to 21 centimeter, and similarly all the radius can be found. R similarly R blue is equal to 21 plus 10.5, 21 plus 10.5 means 31.5. This. So all the radius you can find. R of blue, after that R of black, then again 10.5 add. So this is the 1 times or you may say this is 2 times, the second one this is 3 times, this is 4 times, and this is 5 times. Whatever it was earlier, this is the second time, this is the third time, this is the fourth, this is the 5 times. So R blue was actually radius here 3 times. So R black is equal to 4 times of R, 4 times of 10.5 means 42, and R white is equal to 5 times of 10.5 means 52.5. So all the radius we have found. Now the area. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. Area is equal to pi r square, but the gold is a circle and others are ring. These are ring of red. So in the ring, what will you do? Okay, first note it. So this is the 1 times, R of red 2 times add or just multiply 2 times, then R of gold 3 times, then R of okay, again I have written. This was in short form, this. So R blade, R blue, R black, R white, everything is I have written. After that, area. So area of the gold, when pi, the value of the pi is 2 types. One is 22 upon 7 and another one is 3.14. So actually both values are same. But if the number is such that it will be divided by the 7, this is 10.5 will be divided by the 7. So we will take value pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, come here. So area of the gold, equals to pi and r square is equal to 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. 7 1 ja 3.5 1.5 this, then multiply everything. 15 2 ja 30, 0 3, 15 2 ja 30, this is 33.0 multiply 10.5, then again multiply. So in rough you can do 10.5 multiply 3 and 3, 33. So 3 5 ja 15, 1 3 1 ja 3, then again the same thing, 5 1 3, this is 5 6 4 and 3, and this is the 33. So only one place decimal here, one place decimal. So the answer is 346.5 centimeter square, because this is not centimeter into centimeter, so centimeter square. After that, because gold was just a circle, after that red is a ring. Actually the 2 circles are included, the big circle and then small circle. Just like here, this is any big circle. Okay, yes, this is. So you are observing here a ring type shape. So this is the red. This is the red. So only this area, how we will find? We will take the area of the larger minus, if we will cut it, if you will cut it, it will be get out. So only ring will be in your hand. So the area of this ring is equal to area of the larger diameter pi r square minus this is smaller pi r of this minus, so you will get the area of the ring. So area of the gold region. Now write area of red region, actually gold region, this area of red region is equal to pi r, because red is in a shape of the ring, this one. So pi r of red minus pi r square of red, this is red to the square minus pi r of gold to the square, this one. This area minus of this area. So take pi as a common, then r square r of red, the larger one, this one, second one minus this. So r square minus of r square, you may use a square minus of b square, so it will be easy for you. R red minus 1 times minus, then 1 times plus, this. Or you may write r1 r2 also. Earlier it was r1, this is r2, this is r3, this is r4 and r5. Okay, so a square minus b square, yani a minus b multiply a plus b, means r red plus r gold, this, times of pi. Okay, solve it. 22 upon 7 multiply pi r red. Red is 21 minus r gold. Gold is 10.5. This, and this 21 plus 10.5. This one is equal to 22 upon 7 multiply. So this is 10.5 and this is 31.5. So 1.5 multiply. So you will get 33. 33 multiply 31.5. So multiply this in your rough, or you may, this is 31.5 multiply 33. 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 1s are 3, 1, 4, 3 3s are 9. Then again 3, 5, 4 and 9. This is 5, 9 and 4 and 5, 9, 9 and 4, 13. This one, so 0.5, so 1039.5, 1039.5 centimeter square. So only one thing is important here, this one, how you find the ring. Area of the red region, actually it is a ring. This one. So pi of outer area minus of inner area gold. Okay, and then I have applied a square minus of b square, a minus b, a plus b. So this is like this. Okay, similarly other rings, red, then blue, the same technique will be applied here. area of gold, red, then blue. Blue region is equal to pi r of blue to the square minus pi r of blue, this is red to the square is equal to, then take pi common, then a square minus b square, then r blue plus r red multiply r blue minus r red, just as I have done here. Here red and gold, here blue and red. Pi 22 upon 7 r blue. Blue was the r blue means this is this. Blue was the third. So 3 times of 10.5. Actually 3 times of 10.5. Again we have an 3 times of 10.5. This one plus r red. Red was the second. 2 times of 10.5. So actually it will be 5 times of 10.5. And multiply r blue 3 times of 10.5 minus r red 2 times of 10.5 is equal to 22 upon 7. This is 5 times of 10.5 and this is 1 times of 5.5. Or I have used I have found the r blue is equal to 3 multiply 31.5. You can use it here also, or you can solve it in this way. So this was the blue region, and the 7 will be divided by 7 1 ja 3.5. This is 33. Into 5 into 10.5. This 5 3 are 15. 15 or 1 16. Multiply 10.5. Then again multiply. So multiplication work is here to get the actual answer. So 165 multiply 105. So 5 5 is the 25. 2 5 6 is 30 and 2 32 3 5 1 is 5 and 3 8. Then 0 it comes. For this, if you have we will restart from here, but if this is 0 again I will cut it, and for 1 so everything is 5 6 1. So 5 and 2 8 and 5 13, this one. So 0.5 will be applied here. So the answer is 1732.5 centimeter square. So similarly, area of the blue, you can find the area of the black and area of the white. So try to find, this is the answer, this may be answer. Similarly, you can find other regions also, and find and check from your book. And I hope this is only the things which which in these questions is to be taught. Find the area of the ring, how to find area of the ring, how to solve it. Okay, so thank you. Solve by yourself 2 parts and check your answer. Keep watching.